Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Rite Bungee Regulator necklace. So this is a really handy sort of piece of equipment. It's pretty simple as you can see, but for a long hose primary donate, it's essential so that your alternate can sit sort of around your neck. Comes in lots of different colors so it can match your style. Very simple design, but it does have an upgrade on the kind of traditional just single piece and then you tie it off yourself. We've got these two little sort of almost nuts, and these act as choke points to sort of hold it in position. Traditionally, I've always used just a single piece of bungee and then tied the knots, and the knots kind of get in the way. You've got to get them nice and tight, but not too short that they undo themselves. So this is a really great alternative. So just quickly showing you how it works on one of the most state-of-the-art second stages I could get my hands on. This is actually part of our backdrop. It basically goes over your mouthpiece, and then you just pull it tight, and then that's it. So these two little nuts kind of lock themselves in, and that sort of holds it. I'm just going to show you where it sits around your neck. So it sits quite far away, so if you're a dry suit diver, it gives you a nice amount of space away from your chin, but it's always sort of close to hand. You can still get to your inflate valve, and then you can quickly sort of swap over to it. And yeah, it just sort of sits nicely out of the way. Your hose can route over your shoulder, and because it's bungee, it's quite easy to get on and off. So yeah, very simple design, lots of different colors. It's very much an essential piece of kit. You can do it yourself just with a single piece of bungee, but these two little nuts do make a big difference, and because they're all kind of rounded, it's quite soft against your lips, so you don't really notice it. I can definitely recommend the Rite Bungee Necklace. Thanks for watching. Safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.